Is it the right time to buy or sell Rivian Automotive stock? In this video, we will be delving deep into Rivian Automotive. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, December 27, 2023. Today, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could have an impact on your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from December 1, 2023, our system has identified Rivian Automotive as a promising investment opportunity with a score of 1.70. Now, let's delve into the performance of this stock during this period. For those who followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed a remarkable gain of 31.61% since we first recommended Rivian Automotive as a buy candidate just 18 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.76% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $24.46, it could indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 5.94% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return can range from -28.40% to 9.21%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 20.99% change over the next year. The potential return can range from -18.46% to 51.89%. This means that the stock price could be anywhere between $19.35 and $36.04 after a year. In today's update on Rivian Automotive, we have some exciting news to share. The stock experienced a positive trend, gaining 0.593% on Wednesday, the 27th of December 2023. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $23.14 and a high of $23.82. Ultimately, it closed at $23.73, marking a notable increase from its starting point at $23.59. This upward movement continues a positive trend, with the stock rising in 8 of the last 10 days and showing a 30.31% increase over the past 2 weeks. It's important to note that the volume of shares traded decreased by 8 million on the last day, with a total of 22 million shares exchanged for approximately $530.85 million. This decline in volume, accompanied by higher prices, could indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. Looking at the stock's performance over the past year, the highest price reached was $28.05, while the lowest was $11.68. Currently, the price stands at $23.73, which is 15.4% or $4.32 below its 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 86.78% or $155.74 below its all-time high, which was achieved on November 16, 2021, when the price peaked at $179.47. Today, I want to talk about the latest analyst ratings for RIVN. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, Mizuho Securities gave RIVN a buy grade with a hold action. Another report on the same day came from RBC Capital, who gave RIVN a sector perform grade with a hold action. Cantor Fitzgerald also weighed in on Wednesday, grading RIVN as overweight with a hold action. Needham followed suit and gave RIVN a buy grade with a hold action. Moving back to Monday, November 6, 2023, Wedbush gave RIVN an outperform grade with a hold action. Rivian Automotive stock has been given a general buy rating by analysts. Analysts strongly recommend the P/E ratio and price to book, rating them as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a more neutral rating. In this video, we will discuss the signals identified for Rivian Automotive. The Rivian Automotive stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of corrections downward, there is support from the lines at $23.63 and $18.83. However, if the stock falls below these levels, it will issue sell signals. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also provides a buy signal. Despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This may serve as an early warning and requires close monitoring of the stock. However, it is important to note that there have been some negative signals as well, which could influence the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, December 19, 2023, resulting in a 2.55% decrease so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Rivian Automotive. On the downside, the stock has some key support levels. Currently, there is support just below today's level at $22.43 and $18.92. When a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For Rivian Automotive, the next support levels would be at $22.43, followed by $18.92 and $18.27. It's important to note that this stock can be quite volatile, meaning it can experience significant price movements during the day. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, Rivian Automotive is considered to be a very high-risk stock. In fact, in the last day, the stock had a price range of $0.680 or 2.94% between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 4.41%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Rivian Automotive, let's go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or not generating any earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to face temporary setbacks, often due to external factors. However, if a company consistently has a negative PE ratio, it could be a sign of insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for release on February 27, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at -$1.37. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Rivian Automotive. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rivian Automotive is at $23.80. If you're not yet invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rivian Automotive encounters its first support level at $22.43. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Rivian Automotive is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 15, 2023, McDonough-Clare sold 1727 shares of Class A common stock. On November 16, 2023, McDonough-Clare sold 3,265 shares of Class A common stock. On November 15, 2023, Baker Jeff sold 3,898 shares of Class A common stock. On October 20, 2023, Schwartz Sanford Herald bought 842 shares of Class A common stock. On October 20, 2023, Boone Caron bought 1196 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be negative at -55.964. Overall, insiders purchased 2,467,775 shares and sold 31,848,770 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $22.84, which represents a decrease of 3.74%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which in turn poses a high level of risk. Additionally, the Relative Strength Index, RSI 14, is currently at 76, further increasing the risk involved. We have also identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 5 days ago. Is Rivian Automotive stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe that Rivian Automotive stock could offer a buying opportunity in the short term. The current trend and several positive signals indicate a potential for good performance. However, it's important to note that our systems have detected an overvaluation in the current price after analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day. Looking ahead to Thursday, December 28, we expect Rivian Automotive stock to open down $0.167 and start trading at $23.56. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. To ensure you make informed decisions, it's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the provided information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. We're here to give you an overview of the current stock market and would love to hear your thoughts. Share your opinion by commenting below. What's your target for the stock? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.